What's up everyone? Today we are going to make window valances. I'm going to show you how to do two different types that look completely different but will completely transform your bedroom. Really any room in your house that has windows. What's a window valance? That's a window valance. These are extremely easy to make and only cost about $5. That's perfect for a quick room makeover. This project is gonna go lightning fast. Remember to hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to this video so you don't miss out on any more videos. Let's go. Both of the windows I'm making these for are going to be about 65 inches long, and I'm going to make them out of 1x4s. It's that easy. Then with the scrap wood, you'll want to cut off a little inch piece, and you'll do this twice for each valance. 2 pieces per valance. Pretty windy out today, but hopefully you can hear me. I'm gonna do one board with white trim paint, just so that way it'll match the rest of the trim in the bedrooms. And then the other board, I'm going to stain with this Early American stain, which I really like. We have some Early American shiplap in this room, so this will match some of that. And what I do here is I actually use pre-stained wood conditioner. I'll have a link right up here in the corner that'll link to a video I made about why you should use this. So I apply this first, and then I come back over it with some stain, and then clear coat it, and we're ready to fasten it up. Let's go. So we let the stain dry for 4 hours, and now it's time to clear coat. The white paint one is dry and ready to be hung up. I'm just going to use some 2-inch finishing nails to actually fasten this to the wall, and then I'll end up using a brad nailer to attach the faceplate to these. I cut the board to be 3 inches longer than the window. Therefore, I'll overhang it by 1.5 inches on each side of the window. This only took about an hour to do, and it really adds the finishing touches to these rooms. I spent $10 on this project, but for free, you can go down below, click the like button, and subscribe to this channel for more content. That is a steal, and it really supports this channel. Thank you, and see you on the next one.